Hello. Storm Bella has been battering a large swathe of the UK in the last 24 hours. We had wind gusts in excess of 80 miles an hour across southern England and northwest Wales, 106 miles an hour at the Needles on the Isle of Wight. Also some torrential rain courtesy of this very active front. That's now just about clearing the southeast of England. Behind it, we're all in this much colder air. We've got plenty of showers, many of them wintry, feeding in from the west. We'll come back to that in just a moment. Let's talk about the wind first. The amber wind warning from the Met Office has now expired and the winds will continue to ease this afternoon. Still flood warnings, though, in place, and also ice and snow warnings. So here are the showers pushing in from the west this afternoon, bringing some snow, particularly across Scotland and northwest England. Best of the sunshine the further east you are, but for all of us, it's a cold day with temperatures in places not much higher than 3 or 4 Celsius. Add on the strength of the wind, which is easing all the while, and it certainly will feel bitterly cold out there. Now, through this evening, we've got a more substantial band of snow across parts of Scotland, which will then be sinking its way southwards into northern England. We can see a bit of snow across Northern Ireland too. Then later in the night, some snow into parts of the Wales, the Midlands and maybe central southern England by the end of the night. Elsewhere, some clear spells, a frost for many, with temperatures at or below freezing. They could get down to -6 to -8 Celsius across the glens of Scotland. It's a messy picture tomorrow. We've got this area of low pressure bringing a mixture of rain, sleet or snow to parts of Wales, the Midlands, central southern England through the morning, and elsewhere a mixture of sunshine and wintry showers, and those showers continuing to pile into the eastern side of Scotland and eastern England through the afternoon. So some of us, if not many of us, could see a bit of snow in the forecast through tomorrow. Certainly it's going to be a cold day, 4 to 7 Celsius the top temperature, but the winds will be lighter. Come Tuesday, the showers tend to become confined to eastern and western coasts of the UK. So for most, after a cold, frosty start, it should be dry. There'll be some spells of sunshine, but again, temperatures not much higher than 5 or 6 Celsius in places. For the middle part of the week, we have this area of low pressure to the east of the UK. High pressure trying to build in from the southwest, but you'll notice fronts just grazing the southwest of the UK. So on Wednesday, the shower risk will be across northern and eastern Scotland. Again, those showers could be wintry, and later in the day, perhaps a spell of rain moving into southwest England and the Channel Islands. Temperatures again 4 to 7 Celsius, so it really is a cold spell of weather in the week ahead. Thursday is, of course, New Year's Eve. We end 2020 in a similar vein. Front still close to the UK, generating some wintry showers. It looks like the main focus on New Year's Eve, once again, will be across northern Scotland, but also through parts of East Anglia and southeast England, seeing some wintry showers, maybe a few to the west of Wales as well. Temperatures 4 to 7 Celsius. The winds should be fairly light. And as we head towards New Year's Eve, as we ring in the new year, the showers should tend to fade for most, say, away from northern Scotland and southeast England. So it's cold, temperatures hovering around freezing and certainly falling away further as we head through the early hours of New Year's Day. So we start 2021 cold with some sunshine for many, but still the chance of those wintry showers, particularly across East Anglia, southeast England, a few across northern Scotland and maybe a few for West Wales. A little change really in the temperature. It remains rather cold, 4 to 7 Celsius. So as we transition from one year to another, there's not much change in the weather. It's going to stay cold, quiet, with the risk of frost and ice.